property in Hamptons in New York, in New York State.
Grabe.
Or
Nakakalula.
in New York City. I just heard over that.
Manhattan, ako, ilang billion.
Billion din ito. So, galit sa pera itong mga magnanakaw na, ang mga alleged magnanakaw na ito. Kasi, walang magawa sa trilyon-trilyong tinurakot nila is to buying spree for luxurious properties, luxurious cars. In fact, I heard na ito si Martin, with due respect, during the time of President Duterte, namigay na ito ng luxury cars doon sa office ni Undersecretary Boy Kitain. Pero mukhang hindi tinanggap ni Boy Kitain, tinanggap ng isang, well, allegedly bagman niya, a certain Nocon.